How to create a metric in Keras that return a multidimensional value? I'm using Keras to solve a multi-class problem. My data is very unbalanced, so I'm trying to create something similar to a confusion matrix. My dataset is very large, and saved as HDF5, so I used HDF5 matrix to fetch the X and Y, making scikit-learn confusion matrix irrelevant, as far as I know. I've seen it as possible to save the predictions and true labels, or output the error per label. However, a more elegant solution would be to create a multidimensional metric that accumulates the predicted, true, label pairs, sort of like a confusion matrix. I have used the following callback to try and peek into what's going on per batch, epoch. But it only accumulates a single value, usually the average of sorts. I've also tried to see if it's possible to return the y_pred, y_true as following, to try and see if I can print a multidimensional value in the logs. However, it doesn't return a multidimensional value as I expected. So basically, my question is, can I use Keras to accumulate multidimensional metric?
Well, to my best knowledge, it is not possible, since before returning the value of a tensor, k.mean is applied. I posted an issue about this on Keras GitHub. The best design I came up with is a metric for each cell in the confusion matrix, and a callback that collects them, inspired by the thread mentioned in the question. A sort of working solution can be found here.
Curiosities.